The family values. All praises for Allah. I testify that none has a right to be worshipped except Allah alone, and who has no partner, and bear witness that Muhammad ﷺ is his slave and his messenger. O Muslims, family is a very important part of a human life. Family members are not only parents and brothers, but also grandfathers, uncles, aunts, and whoever relates to them. Muslims should contact with their relatives and please them. Indeed, the more the family adheres to the approach of Allah, the happier the family will be. Our messenger ordered his people to choose a wife who is religious, who used to keep her worship in general. The wife is God-fearing and a good wife who can change the situation into the best of situations, i.e. someone who is wise in her dealings. There is a big reward for the wife who used to keep herself for her husband only, offering her worship to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. This reward is the paradise. If anybody asks what the services are that wife can offer, the answers are to obey her husband, to take care of her children, planting good manners in the children, to grow up the love of her homeland, and live with them honorably. If you dislike them, it may be that you dislike a thing for which Allah brings good deal for you. Every family must be strong and must keep the manners inside this family. Our messenger used to help his family even when he was very busy with his people. Aisha, the mother of believers, said that our messenger used to help his family and used to serve them. And one of the good manners that we must do in this family is discussing fruitful opinions. In our Islams, husbands are ordered to be thankful to their wives and to deal with them honorably, especially when the wife becomes very old and becomes in need. And of course, to be thankful and to be dutiful to the parents, for they looked after them when they were small, for they clothed them, fed them, gave them shelter. May Allah give our parents the highest of Jannahs, for they looked after us when we were little kids. And may Allah SWT increase our family bonds and increase our family ties and also increase our family numbers. May Allah guide us all to Al-Islam, and may Allah make it easy for us all. May we not be of those who even utter the word oof to our parents and displease them. May Allah forgive us for angering Him and for angering our parents. May our parents forgive us as well. On the day of judgment, may our parents not have any complaints against us, rather let them be pleased with us. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with all of us, ourselves and our parents. Ameen.